Introduction. After long days exploring trails and setting up camp, solid rest becomes essential. Best zero-gravity chairs for camping provide the floating support that eases tired muscles while staying practical for outdoor life. These recliners turn downtime into genuine recovery on uneven ground or sandy spots. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. NEWBULIG Zero Gravity Chair Set of 2. This pair of recliners stands out for campers who want matching seats that travel well and hold up under regular use. The alloy steel frame carries up to 330 pounds and feels solid whether you place it on grass, sand, or a patio surface near the tent. Folding happens quickly, and the light build means both chairs slip into a car trunk without much effort, making them handy for beach days, picnics, or multi-day camping trips where space is limited. The back adjusts from upright to about 160 degrees and locks in place, so you can nap or simply lean back after a hike. An adjustable headrest lets each person fine-tune neck support, while the open mesh fabric stays cool even on warm afternoons and shrugs off spills with a quick wipe. A detachable tray with several compartments holds drinks, snacks, or a phone, and it comes off when you want a cleaner look or easier packing. Build quality feels dependable for the price, with no complicated parts to assemble. Ideal users include couples or small groups who share campsites and value having 2 matching chairs ready at once. The set works well for casual family outings too, though taller people might notice the proportions lean more compact than oversized models.
Number 2. Timber Ridge Oversized Zero Gravity Chair. Campers seeking extra room will appreciate this wide recliner that measures 43.5 by 28.5 by 30.5 inches and offers a 28.75-inch seat width along with a 28.75-inch backrest height. When fully stretched, it reaches 72 inches long and supports up to 500 pounds, giving larger users or anyone who likes spreading out a stable platform that feels secure on campsite ground. The lockable recline moves smoothly from 0 to 170 degrees, letting you settle into positions that ease pressure after carrying a pack all day. Padded seating and adjustable headrest add layers of comfort, while the side tray pulls out with a built-in cup holder to keep water or snacks within reach during quiet evenings by the fire. Premium materials form a sturdy frame that needs no assembly, simply unfold and set. Performance stays consistent across lawn, beach, or forest clearings, and the generous size reduces the cramped feeling some standard chairs create. Ideal for solo travelers who prioritize space, or families with bigger adults, it shines on longer trips where recovery time matters. One minor note is the bulkier folded profile compared with lighter pairs, yet the trade-off brings noticeable stability and room to stretch. Ease of use remains high because everything locks and adjusts without tools. Practical applications range from lakeside lounging to backyard practice before a big outing.
Number 3. Sweetcrispy Zero Gravity Chairs Set of 2. These matching recliners weigh just 15.43 pounds each and fold rapidly, so loading them for a camping weekend or beach run stays simple and light. The heavy-duty metal frame supports 330 pounds and follows the body's natural curves, delivering ergonomic support that feels natural whether you sit upright or lean back for a nap at the campsite. High-performance outdoor fabric resists abrasion and tears while staying breathable, which keeps you cooler on hot days and wipes clean after sandy or muddy encounters. The recline adjusts anywhere between 0 and 160 degrees and locks with durable elastic cords into a zero-gravity angle that reduces pressure across the body. Versatility covers poolside, lawn, garden, patio, backyard, camping, and beach settings, so the set adapts to almost any outdoor plan. Build quality emphasizes wear resistance and straightforward cleaning, which suits frequent travelers who dislike high-maintenance gear. Ideal users include couples or friends sharing a site who want portable matching seats without excess weight. Ease of use shows in the quick fold and go design that needs no tools. One practical limitation appears in the standard width, which may feel less expansive for very broad shoulders, yet the overall package prioritizes mobility and durability. Performance remains consistent across varied terrain, and the breathable surface prevents that sticky feeling common with denser materials.
Number 4. NEWBULIG Zero Gravity Folding Patio Chair. This single recliner supports up to 440 pounds on a heavy-duty metal frame, positioning it as a solid choice for campers, beach visitors, or anyone wanting dependable outdoor rest. The ergonomic shape eases pressure on shoulders, upper back, and lower back, while the full recline and adjustable headrest lock into a zero-gravity position that encourages deeper relaxation, or even short sleeps after trail time. A removable padded cushion adds softness and can come off for better airflow on hot days or stay in place for cooler evenings, giving year-round flexibility. The multifunctional cup holder keeps phones, bottles, keys, or small items secure, and an upgraded padded pillow improves neck support throughout longer sits. Recline moves smoothly from 90 to 170 degrees, with replaceable elastic cords locking at preferred angles for customized comfort. No assembly is required. The chair folds and unfolds in seconds and stays light enough to carry to yards, lawns, patios, decks, gardens, balconies, pools, beaches, or campsites. Build quality focuses on long-lasting materials suited to regular outdoor exposure. Ideal users range from solo adventurers to those who prefer one versatile chair that handles both indoor and outdoor spots. Ease of use stands out through the tool-free design and quick adjustments. A minor consideration is the single-unit format, which may prompt buying multiples for groups.
Number 5. Slendor Oversized Zero Gravity Chair. This upgraded recliner features an aluminum alloy locking mechanism with an 8mm depth slot that adjusts and holds position smoothly, paired with elastic support for an ergonomic zero-gravity feel. The triangular frame uses thickened square steel pipes with 1mm wall thickness, plus double-layered ropes and durable woven fabric to support up to 440 pounds with noticeable stability on lawn or campsite surfaces. A 3.1-pound thick back cushion removes easily for better ventilation on warm days or stays attached for extra softness and warmth when temperatures drop. Folding takes only seconds, and the light design makes carrying to yards, gardens, balconies, poolside, beach, or camping spots straightforward. Included extras: a larger cup holder secured by side clips, headrest, footrest, eye mask, and earplugs add convenience for uninterrupted rest. The build quality emphasizes the reinforced frame and updated lock for reliable performance under heavier use. Ideal users include those who want oversized support plus thoughtful accessories for deeper recovery after outdoor activity. Ease of use appears in the quick fold, simple lock adjustment, and removable cushion. One minor point is the added bulk from the thick cushion when packed, yet the extras elevate the experience beyond basic models. Practical applications span quiet evenings at camp to daytime lounging near water.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.